Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Okay, so it doesn't looks like, but yeah, Bmnr today is moving a little bit. It doesn't show because it's a small movement, and I'll show you that shortly. So once again, I do have two main counts here for the moment. I do have this option where, let me zoom out a little bit. Oh yeah, I was here. Okay, so we have a possible wave 1 and wave 2. This was a crazy third wave. This was the fourth wave. And now perhaps we're working into this fifth wave. Within this fifth wave now, possibly we could have made already a 1, 2, and now we're waiting for a 3 and a 4 and a 5. And that would be obviously just a wave. Yeah, actually, the structure now is not crystal clear. This could be just an A. We would do the B and a C for that C wave, which we're going to go and look at that eventually. For the moment, it doesn't really matter. So either we finish this fourth wave, or this could be just an A, a B that we're making now. It would be, in 3 waves. So this last leg should be 5-way up. And so once again, this would be just an A. We would do the B and now macro counting 5-way up. And then again, an A, a B, and a C. Once again, yeah, $16.56, should be the lowest low for this potential for wave if we didn't do it here. Worst case scenario, well, we could say that this was an A, a B, and a C. I could count this as a wave A, and we're doing a bigger B wave for a B wave, yeah. And then after that, 5-way up for the C wave. If I'm more bullish, I could say, well, wave 1 in blue, it's a diagonals, wave 1, wave 2, and then we would have a 3, 4, and 5, all of them 3-wave counts. Now, I want to zoom in a little bit. Okay. So we had, yeah, this, crazy possible diagonal wave 1. Now we're having wave 2, and now it looks like we're pushing higher. So we need to see, right? Let me do now a fib extension to see where would be the possible targets for this third wave. And I want to add the 1-to-1 ratio as well. So that I'm going to put it in blue. I believe it was the count, A, B, and C. Okay, so in a case this is another ABC, then price, we could see some price reaction at that level. Otherwise, if it's the white count, should I put my extension in white? Actually, let me do that. So there you go. Okay, so this one now is what I'm looking for now. If this is indeed a third wave, then we need to have a price action, and we shall see. So you need to reach 57.12. If we see a reaction here and price go, well, actually reverse and start to go lower, then this was just an ABC, and we can expect now after that maybe a major pullback or a bigger pullback, and that could imply that this fourth wave was not finished and we're still working on it. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Yeah, some people ask me why I don't do any updates. Well, there was nothing to update, like price action. It wasn't doing as much. Only this weekend start to do something. Otherwise, the video were still relevant. All right, so have a good day. Bye.